Dayspring Silent Retreat is a steward of their forever forests, their fields, meadows, and Dayspring Creek. Let's take a look.
This is an amazing area. As you just look around here at all this wetland vegetation on this beautiful little creek valley in the forest here. Just imagine this is like a little piece of original creation right here in the middle of Montgomery County. A place to sit by the stream and meditate or take a walk along here like we're doing right now. And wetland plants like that skunk cabbage over there, that's called skunk cabbage because in the spring it smells a little bit like skunk, but a wonderful wetland indicator. But beyond that, a number of species growing here, the wild columbine, the false hellebore, that only grow in places like this, one or two places in Montgomery County, which is why the County Parks Department has officially designated this area right here where we are as one of the 10 highest biodiversity areas in the county. And the road, what would be the impacts of the road? The road, as it's proposed, right-of-way is right up on the top of that ridge, right there across from you, not 50 yards uphill here. And pollution, water running off, coming into the stream valley in high volumes and storms, hot water coming off of pavement in the summertime, all degrading the stream valley here. Air pollution coming down from that, noise pollution of the coming down into this perfectly wonderful little place of creation. Just wouldn't be the same at all without that. And we're in the middle of a forest as well, where this creek cuts through here. And there are actually 600 acres of continuous interior forest. And the highway would bisect that and fragment it. And this is really important for those species of birds that require large interior nesting forest in order for them to nest. And this is one of the largest places in Montgomery County of unbroken forest. And so the stream, any kind of proposed highway would also fragment the forest and degrade this area naturally that way as well.
So here we are standing at Dayspring Silent Retreat Center, and we're looking across at the Silent Retreat Lodge. It has been here since 1956, and it's been a place for spiritual retreat since then. We have visitors from all over the area, all over the country, and even all over the world who come to be on retreat here and experience the quiet, the spiritual silence and solitude in community. The open space and the quiet of this area really contributes to the inner quiet that people experience on retreat. That silence of retreat is a universal value across religions and cultures, and we welcome people from all religions, any religion, and also people who are not religious.
30 years ago, government planners at all levels, including the Federal Environmental Protection Agency and right here locally in Montgomery County, decided that they would use what they called the watershed planning approach to protecting our natural resources. And this is based on the science that says when you want to protect a stream or a lake or a river, you need to protect all the land that drains into that body of water. And that means we need to protect Dayspring Creek, and that means we need to protect North Germantown Greenway, Stream Valley Park to the north, and we need to protect Dayspring Creek itself and Dayspring Silent Retreat Center. All of these resources are threatened by the proposed M83 highway. This is unacceptable, and the only way to remove this threat permanently is to remove the M83 highway from our master plan of highways and transitways.
Check out these reports on the Tame website for a detailed analysis and critique of this severely flawed and damaging highway, and you'll agree that its construction is not warranted and that Montgomery County should remove M83 from the Master Plan of Highways and Transitways.